Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Eclipse E4 is an evolution of the Eclipse RCP, rich client platform, framework, which provides a more modern and flexible application model. Lars Vogel has been a prominent contributor to the Eclipse community, providing tutorials and resources for developers. Below is an informative tutorial on Eclipse E4, including a simple code example. Overview of Eclipse E4. Eclipse E4 introduces a new application model that decouples the UI from the business logic, making it more modular. Key features include model-based UI. The UI is defined in a model rather than hard-coded in Java. Dependency injection promotes better modularity and testing. Dynamic UI supports dynamic updates to the UI based on the application state. Setting up Eclipse E4. 1. Install Eclipse IDE. Download and install the latest version of the Eclipse IDE for RCP and RAP developers from the Eclipse Downloads page, https://www.eclipse.org/downloads. 2. Create a new E4 project. Go to File, New Project. Select Eclipse 4 Application Project. Follow the wizard to create a new project. 3. Project structure. The generated project will have a specific structure including application.e4sme. This is the application model file where the UI elements are defined. Activator.java, the entry point for your application. Basic example, creating a simple E4 application. In this example, we'll create a simple E4 application with a single button that shows a message when clicked. Step 1. Define the application model. 1. Open the application.e4sme file. 2. Add a new part under the application node. Right-click on the application node -add child-part. Set the ID of the part to example.part. 3. Add a handler to the part. Right-click on the example.part -add child-handler. Set the ID of the handler to example.handler. Set the command to example.command. 4. Define a command. Right-click on the application node -add child-command. Set the ID to example.command. Set the name to show message. Step 2. Implement the handler. Create a new Java class named showMessageHandler.java in the src folder. Step 3. Adding the UI button. 1. Open the application.e4sme file again. 2. Add a button to the part. Select example.part and right-click -add child-control. Set the type to button. Set the label to show message. Set the command to example.command. Step 4. Running the application. 1. Right-click on your project and select Run as Eclipse application. 2. A new window should open with your button. Clicking it will show a message box with Hello, Eclipse E4. Conclusion. This tutorial provides a basic introduction to Eclipse E4, including setting up an application, defining a model, and implementing a handler with a UI element. As you become more familiar with Eclipse E4, you can explore more advanced topics such as services, context management, and more sophisticated UI components. Additional resources. Lars Vogel's Eclipse E4 tutorials, https://www.vogel.com/tutorials/eclipse4/article.html. Eclipse E4 documentation, https://www.eclipse.org/e4/documents/e4-overview.pdf. This should give you a solid starting point for understanding and using Eclipse E4. Happy coding!